Look at that. The legs look so soft. They look so pampered. Guys, this is a life-changing hack. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is on how you can be able to take care of your cracked heels, how to achieve smooth and softer heels overnight. So I've added warm water on basin, then shampoo, and then I'm adding soda ash, then lemon juice, and then I just dip the whole lemon pieces inside. So I'm trying to squeeze the juice out of it. Then I mix everything to get my foam. Then I dip my feet for some few minutes, probably 5 minutes. So dipping the feet inside enhances softening of dead skin, and it also enhances softening of the cracked heel if you have one. Then I'm using toothpick, or you can use any stick that you have to remove any dirt, dead skin that might be allowed my toenails. So I'll be doing this for each and every nail, 10 of them. Yeah, sure. So slowly it becomes so easy to remove it, because remember I've already soaked the feet inside the water, and therefore everything is soft. Even using your hands can be able to remove the dirt. Then I'm using my stone to remove dead skin on my heel and the feet generally. At this moment you can even use your hands. It will be very easy for them to come out. Like you can see, I'm trying to do it with my nails. You can see it's coming out, but obviously I'm not going to use my nails. I just wanted to show you how easy it becomes to remove the dead skin. Can you see that? Very easy. There it is. Yeah, there it is. So we use our stone to remove the dead skin. So I'm going to scrub everywhere using this stone, everywhere. I mean everywhere, to ensure that I remove all the dead skin. Then I'm using this softer blush to remove that in between my toes and anywhere else. It is soft, it is not rough, and therefore you can use it even on your skin. So I'm just trying to ensure that I've turned all the stone by ensuring that I've scrubbed everywhere and I've removed that everywhere. Then I'm going to go in with my scrub. This is homemade scrub. So I'm using it to scrub my legs, generally up to the knee. That is where I'll be scrubbing. So I'm doing this for both my legs, and remember guys, it is also enhancing removing dead skin on the other part of the leg whereby I had not soaked. So all the way up to the knee, that is where I'm scrubbing. Then Don't be walking with legs looking so bad with cracked heels or layers. You can be able to do this at home. Then I use the water that I was using, the one which was in the basin, to rinse the scrub off. And then after that I use clean water just to ensure that I've rinsed all the dirt and that the legs are clean, sparkling clean. Then after that I'm going to dry them using a towel, even in between the toes, to ensure that you don't get back infections and all that. So ensure that they are well dried. So we dry them, and then now the most amazing procedure is moisturizing them. So I'm using lanolin. I'm using lanolin, then I'm combining it with Vaseline. Vaseline. So I'm combining them. You can use any jelly that you have. So I combine them in my hand and then I apply on my legs. I wish you can touch them. They are so soft. They are feeling so clean. Have a look at them. Even you can tell through the camera. Can you see that? So we moisturize them so well. Even in between the toes. So look at them. The heel looks so soft and it also feels so soft. The dead skin is gone and they look so amazing. Can you see that? So good, so smart. Yeah, and they look like legs that are well taken care of. Can you look at the heel? No cracks. Yeah, so guys, make sure that you always moisturize your heel, all your legs. They are part of your body. Don't moisturize the face only. Make sure that you're also taking care of your legs. Then, because it's at night and I want the legs to still have them to be moisturized still, I'm wearing my socks to keep in the moisture. Yeah, good night. Make sure that you subscribe.